How to install plugins for Roblox Studio 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about Roblox Creator Hub or Roblox Studio, where you can make anything that you can imagine. And for these creations that you're going to create, how are you going to add plugins for yourself? So, whatever you create in Roblox Studio, you can basically publish it anywhere by including some specific plugins inside it. So to install plugins, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the create.roblox.com/store/plugins section. All right. So once you come over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go through the plugins and see whatever you want in your case. So let's say there's different free ones over here as well. So let's go ahead and let's say I want to download this one, right? The rock with pancakes. So you can basically add this plugin in your map if you want to, and as you can see, it says this item has now been added in your inventory. So once this item is in your inventory, what you can do from there is whatever you're creating over here, right here in your inventory, you can find it and add it in your page. So that is basically how you're going to install plugins for Roblox Studio 2024. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.